We have an awesome color combination to show you guys today. Right over here is the BMW 3 Series, and it has a bright, bold, fierce pink base on it. And right here is ZGT HyperShift, an interference HyperShift that shifts from
greens, purples, golds.
lots of stuff. Let me show it to you. It's one of those weird ones that has a color to the powder that doesn't necessarily represent what it looks like on the car. So showing it to you just for the sake of showing it to you. Now we're gonna use our new theme, light, bright base.
And higher pigment load.
Higher pigment load. Deep, dark base.
Lower pigment load.
Right. So with a bright, light base, we're going 25 grams per gallon. This is that super dense banana pudding style, see ya, kind of powder.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Very difficult to disperse. Let me give it a little stir.
It's like bubbling.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, this is gonna need the dispersion blade, but let me show you a little something. See, what I'm seeing is kind of that banana pudding kind of vibe on the side, but a bunch of colors shooting off at the top. Now, you may ask, where did you guys get this color combo? Well, I'll let you in on a little secret. Now that we're usually showing you guys a whole bunch of different colors and combinations at the end of the video, that's kind of like a vault for us to just peek into every once in a while and say, hey, what color combos have we tested that look incredible that we want to go full scale? And we happened to notice this one a couple videos back. Gabe and I were both like, we got to do this one. All right, so check this out. This is ZGT on the Stick of Truth. There's going to be some greens and some whatevers and whatevers, but that over fierce pink should be a party, right?
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and just for a second, put aside the fact that the base color on this one was pink. This may be one of my favorite effects and colors that we've done in a long time. It just works. This is why I love experimenting with those interference hypershifts over bold, saturated bases. This is how you get the wild stuff. Even the warehouse team, as we were bringing the car out, we're all kind of like, what the? And we don't get their attention too often. They've seen everything. Now, you know what to do. We're going to bring this car outside right now. It's been raining in South Florida for 4 days straight. We just got blessed with a small pocket of time. Take a good look at the car. Leave a comment below. Rate this one for me, 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. And if you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of different kits. All of them do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I had a ton of fun in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.